Day 2, Jasper.
Hi.
Come here.
Say hello.
There's Mum. There's Jasper. And Jack. And Mum's doing the field. There's Jasp.
Is this for Shana?
This is for Shana.
Hi Shana, hope you're all having a fabulous time.
Ah, Jasper, I'm going to come and see you in a second. Jack, come have your drugs. I mean, hay fever medicine. Morning, Jasper. Say morning, Mum. You're going to have your, here you go, have your carrot. There you go. I mean, it's so cleverly disguised, the hay fever tablets. Yeah, look how dirty. And here's Jasper. Jazzy pants. It's a poor horse. Look what he has to deal with. Anissa's not here today. You say good luck on your theory test, Anissa. She might have done it by the time I upload this. Here you go. Have a carrot. That's beautiful. Do you want your head collar on? Jasper! Jasper, come on! Here he comes. It's like you're leading him in yourself. Here it goes. No, 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 no. Come on. Huh? No, it's all good. Here he goes. So he's going to go and see Mum.
How are you today?
Oh, look at that pretty face.
You had not enough time to eat some grass.
All night. It's not enough time, is it?
And all morning.
Oh, here he goes. Here's little white dots all over him. Isn't that right? You're not very exciting, are you? It's covered in... Look, white dots everywhere, all over his face. Want to say hello? No. No, okay. You just stand there and be boring. Yeah. They were looking at you. Ready to go? No. Ready to go? See you later. Bye. No. Quickly shut the gate. He goes. He's going to go see what's happening. No, he isn't eat.
He's going to eat.